Hi friends, we are, what are we actually doing? Oh no, I think we need to start this again. Ah! I killed someone there. Hi friends, so today we're meant to be going to Costco and Ikea, but we've decided we're taking Archie to the park to meet his best friend. Oh sorry. Best friends. They're best friends. Poppy. He actually hates Poppy, but it's fine. So yeah, we're going to the park first because it's a proper nice morning. Get the dog wee walking. And then we're going to Costco. It's gonna be a whole day of fun, isn't it, Mum? Woohoo! Okay, we're just home from the park, literally in and drop the dog. I'm making myself a coffee quickly, and then we're gonna go to Ikea first. Get lunch in Ikea. I'm so excited for meatballs. And then we're gonna go to Costco. This is like my ideal shopping day. Costco and Ikea, like the two best shops out. So that's the plan. Let's go. I actually love the quality of this camera, but it also makes my eyes look like freakishly blue, which I'm not sure how I feel about, but sometimes my eyes look really blue that they look like white almost. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's go. Scale of 1 to 10, Mum, how excited are you about being in Ikea right now? To the vlog. Oh, very. The excitement is killing me. Catherine always providing the content. First item in the basket is a rug for Archie. That's not going to fit in there, I'm going to need to put it in there.
On the side.
What?
It'll fit on the side. Diagonally. Other way, but it doesn't matter, that way if you want. That'll do it. Here. Yeah, it's fine.
Damn it guys, don't have the legs that we were looking for. I've got a dilemma. No. I don't really like the turn back one. Turn back? Just keep looking and turn back. Annoying. Oh. I'll come back here and get fish. Bacon.
Fish on a Friday.
Freak of nature. Meatballs is where it's at. Look! Oh, a present for Archie. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah? Do you like it? Oh, is that a good present? Is that a good present? Hmm? Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, you're welcome.
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get my tripod and start this getting spards already sore. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Basically, last time I saw you, we were at Ikea. Oh, my cheeks actually hurt from smiling so much because I'm so buzzing. Last time I saw you, we were at Ikea, and since then we went to Costco. Got a bit distracted with the vlogging in Costco because I bought myself a new camera. So buzzing. Basically I have been wanting this camera for a good like 5 or 6 months now, which isn't like a long time really. But I was gonna get it for Christmas and it was just like too expensive. So we were in Costco today and they had a really good deal on it, and I just had one of those fuck it moments and I just bought it. So it is the Canon M100, and yeah, I'll show you. So This is her. So I got the camera and I got like a little case for it, and I got a memory card as well for it, and it was just a really good deal that they were doing, so I thought fuck it man, I'm just gonna get it. I've wanted a camera like this for ages. The best part, it's got a freaking flip up screen, doesn't it? It's got a freaking flip up screen. Like, this is just gonna make my life so much easier having a flip up screen. Like, I can't stop, although the bad thing, I can't stop looking in the flip up screen, and this thing weighs a ton, so this is going to be an arm workout carrying this about. But I'm so like, I'm just so buzzing about this. I'm so excited at the fact that I've got a new camera. It's going to be so good for like traveling with, and you can like send all the photos that you take on it to your phone. You can buy like different lenses for it. It's just, it's so good. So the vlogs are going to be good, guys. The vlogs are going to be good.